Hi, it's Ed back here from Off the Trails Outdoors. Today we're going to work on this spraying unit. So what I did, I purchased this 25-gallon spray unit from Tractor Supply. This is an ATV sprayer. It's made for the back of your ATV, and then it has these spraying arms that can spray up to 10 feet. So I'm going to use this for spraying my weeds here around the house or up on my other property. So I did buy this Black Friday last year for Christmas, and just finally getting a chance to do this. So I have my carryall here, and this is an attachment I have on the back of my tractor. So if you look back at my channel, I've done some videos on how I built this carryall and some things I use for it. This is something great I take in the woods, and I'm able to lift up a lot of firewood or carry my chainsaw or have different places for attachment. So my plan for this is to make an attachment that I can unbolt and bolt back on. So when I want to spray, I can just put on this carryall 3-point hitch, and then when I want to use this for firewood, I'll unbolt it and remove it. So I got some scrap pieces of wood I'm going to be using today, and we're going to play around to see if we can get this right. Thanks for tuning in. So I did cut 2 of these 2x4s at 32 inches long. I'm going to tack these into place before I bolt them in. Okay, tank's on, and I'll be able to ratchet strap around that. I might throw something in the middle here so it doesn't slide around. We'll see. We've got 4 galvanized bolts. I think these are 4 to 5 inches long. I'm going to try to get this bolted on right now. It's all bolted there. Looks like it's going to work. So I just installed the external hose or wand, like a hand sprayer. So that'll be nice to have. I think this is the on-off portion for the sprayer arms. So to power this sprayer and this pump, you have to connect the wires together, and then you'll run these to the battery that's on your tractor, or you can have an external battery here on the sprayer somewhere. I might put one down here on the carryall, but to start, I will run this off the tractor. Okay, I got the tractor fired up. There was a loose wire, so I got that taken care of. So now we're gonna go around and see if we get it filled up with water and try it out. First, let me run this power cable to the battery just to make sure the pump works. Okay, I had an old truck battery. Hooked her up. As you can hear, we're good to go. So let me going to hook the garden hose up and get this filled up. I'm gonna test her out quick here. That looks really good. So I'll be adding some weed and feed to this 25-gallon tank. So once I get that, we're gonna give the lawn a spray. We are back a few days later. There was some rain in the forecast, so I did hold off on spraying the lawn. What I did though was I did add 2 legs here that are gonna help support the weight of this. When it's full, there's a lot of weight and a lot of up and down bouncing on a bouncy yard. It's gonna tear that apart. So that's why I kind of added these 2 legs. Nothing that is permanent, but it's going to be able to hold up this heavy load of water. So I went to my local Tractor Supply. I did purchase some Gordon's Weed and Feed 1500. So this will go on the lawn, fertilize it, and then kill all the weeds. Okay, so this would cover 20,000 square feet. So this will fill up a 20-gallon tank. I've got a 25-gallon tank, but I did leave some water out to accommodate for those measurements. So I'm gonna add this whole thing into the back. And I'm gonna mainly just do my front yard and see how far it gets me. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my front lawn just to see how far it gets. I'm mainly concerned with that, but if there's any leftovers, I'll head to the backyard. So I'm gonna get you set up and get ready to spray. As you can see, the yard's not too bad. I do have to add some topsoil here and there to even out the bumps, but it does have some dandelions starting to pop up. So we're gonna see if those will start killing those dandelions here in the next couple of days. we're gonna get this turned on and get it rolling. Got my front yard all done now. I'm working on my side yard. Still probably have half of the tank left, so everything's working great. So I'm going to go over the front yard again just to make sure I've got everything covered, but this project worked great. That's all I got for you today, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and have a great day.